What if I told you the biggest mistake new coders make isn't skipping practice? It's practicing the wrong way. I did some research and I'm here to show you how you can master JavaScript 10 times faster. And yes, even if you are starting from absolute zero. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how long it takes to learn JavaScript using this approach, the minimum skills you need to get started, and most importantly, I'll review the shortcuts that makes it all possible and why it works so well. I used to think learning JavaScript was grinding out through 50 hours of tutorials non-stop until I came across an article about a 40-year-old investor with zero coding experience who did the unthinkable. He went from basic JavaScript to building a Chrome extension in just 14 days. No bootcamps, no 100-hour video courses, just one brutally focused method that most beginners ignore. So can you really learn JavaScript fast, even from scratch? Let's not guess. Let's look at what this real person actually did. The article is titled Over 40 with No Technical Background. This is how I learned JavaScript in 2 weeks. Unbelievable, right? Link is in the description below. Now, what exactly did he actually do during these 14 days? He broke his study plan into 2 phases. Phase 1, learn the fundamentals. The goal here was not to get overwhelmed with long courses. It was to understand the basics quickly and move. Here's what he did. Chose a solid tutorial, used the modern JavaScript tutorial as his main guide, link in description, took detailed notes, created a personal cheat sheet with detailed concepts, asked questions, used Google or GPT to clarify confusions, review daily, and regularly visiting his cheat sheets before writing any code. Phase 2 was now to apply what he had learnt. This is where most beginners fall off. Instead of endlessly watching tutorials, he built an actual project, even if they were small, and created a Chrome extension. To sum it up, his overall strategy was simple. Phase 1, learn the core of JavaScript. Phase 2, apply the core immediately. But I want you to go even further than this. Something that actually boosted my JavaScript skills fast was doing algorithmic challenges. Every day, I picked just one problem to solve. This helped me tremendously in writing cleaner and smarter code. You can find these challenges on LeetCode with problems ranging from beginner level to expert. And if you are applying for JavaScript jobs in 2025, chances are you will face algorithmic questions during your interviews. So practicing now can give you a huge advantage. Let's be honest, learning JavaScript is cool, but getting paid to use it even better. Right now, I'm testing all the best ways to turn knowledge in JavaScript into a side income, and some of them are shockingly simple. If you want those results before everyone else, subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing everything soon. Bye.